Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Gospel musicians Mai Charamba and Baba Charamba recently attended the Shekinah Gospel Awards, which were officially launched in Avonto, Harare, marking a powerful new chapter for the Zimbabwe's gospel music industry. Founded by renowned producer McDonald McD Chidavayenzi, the awards aim to celebrate excellence and amplify the voices that uplift, inspire, and shape the nation through gospel music. The guest of honor was Lieutenant Retired General Ambassador A.A. Nasanyatwe, represented by Deputy Minister Honorable Jesiah. NACZ CEO Mr. Napoleon Nyani applauded McD for this bold and timely move, highlighting the importance of recognizing a genre that continues to lead, innovate, and inspire both locally and across the diaspora. After more than a decade without a dedicated recognition, the gospel music community finally has a platform that reflects its influence and growth. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.